given f of x is integral root of 2 negative t squared dt, we are expected to find the real roots of the equation x squared negative f dash of x is equal to 0. And these are the choices given. So which of these do you think is the correct solution for this question? So let us check that out. Answer. So this is given. F of x is equal to integral 1 to x square root of 2 negative t squared times dt. So therefore f dash of x for this is going to be root of 2 negative x squared. Also we know. So what do we know? You know that x squared negative f dash of x is equal to 0. This means x squared negative root of 2 negative x squared is equal to 0. This in turn means x squared is equal to root of 2 negative x squared. So squaring both sides, we get, so what do you get? X to the power of 4 is equal to root of 2 negative x squared the whole squared. That is x to the power of 4 is equal to 2 negative x squared. This is x to the power of 4 positive x squared negative 2 is equal to 0. So we need only real roots. So what are the real roots? Now if you want, you can just rewrite this as x squared raised to the power of 2 positive x squared negative 2 is equal to 0, and then you take x squared is equal to u. This will become u squared positive u negative 2 is equal to 0. Use quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to negative 2. Therefore u is equal to negative 1 plus or minus root of 1 negative 4 times of a times c times divided by 2 times of a. So this is equal to negative 1 plus or minus root of 1 negative negative positive 4 times 2 is 8. So this is going to be negative 1 plus or minus root of 9 divided by 2. So therefore u is equal to negative 1 positive 3 divided by 2, which is going to be 2 over 2, which is 1. Or u is equal to negative 1 negative 3 divided by 2, which is negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. Right, I'm getting a negative 2 over here. Now u squared, or I would say u is equal to x squared, right? And u is positive 1. Right, so this means x squared is equal to 1, which means x is equal to root of 1. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 1. So this is the roots that we get when u is equal to 1. Okay, now you have to direct yourself to this. I'm going to use this part of the space. So u is equal to negative 2. So this means x squared is equal to negative 2, which means x is equal to root of negative 2. This is definitely not a real root. This is complex in nature. So we drop this and we only take this. So therefore the roots are x is equal to plus 1 and minus 1, or you can write it as x is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay. So that is the solution. So go back and see which of these are corresponding to the correct solution. Is it 0 and 1? Definitely no. Is it plus or minus 1 over 2? Definitely no. Is it plus or minus 1 over root 2? No. Is it plus or minus 1? Yes. So that is the correct solution.